Hey everyone, what's up and welcome back to All About AI Tech. If you're as hyped about the future of AI as I am, then you are in the right place, my friend. Make sure you smash that subscribe button and ding the notification bell so you never miss an upload. Today we're going to be diving into the incredible world of wearable AI, exploring some of the latest breakthroughs and how they're going to revolutionize our lives. Let's jump right in. So, what exactly is wearable AI? Well, it's exactly what it sounds like. Artificial intelligence integrated into devices we can wear. Think smartwatches, fitness trackers, AR glasses, the kind of tech that used to be science fiction but is now very much a reality. But here's the thing, this isn't just about checking your notifications on your wrist. Wearable AI has the potential to transform industries, from healthcare and fitness to gaming and even manufacturing. Let's take fitness trackers as an example. We've come a long way from basic step counters. These devices are now packed with advanced sensors measuring everything from heart rate and sleep patterns to blood oxygen levels. But the real magic happens when you combine this data with AI algorithms, personalized fitness advice, real-time workout analysis, insights into your overall health. It's like having a personal trainer right there on your wrist. And speaking of smartwatches, these devices are quickly becoming the ultimate AI hubs. We're talking AI assistants that can answer your questions, make reservations, and even control your smart home. But it goes beyond convenience. AI-powered health monitoring on some smartwatches can detect irregular heartbeats, track sleep stages, even monitor blood pressure. It's literally life-saving technology, and it's only going to get more advanced. Now let's talk about something really cool, AI in the gaming industry, particularly in VR headsets. Remember clunky old VR headsets? Those days are gone. AI is powering hyper-realistic graphics, immersive experiences, and even responding to your emotions in real time. Imagine a horror game where the scares adapt to your fear levels, or an RPG where your in-game choices are influenced by how you're actually feeling. The possibilities for gaming are mind-blowing. But AI wearables aren't just for fun and games, they have incredibly important applications in healthcare. For surgeons, AR glasses with AI can overlay patient information directly onto their field of vision, giving them real-time data during critical procedures. For people with disabilities, AI-powered assistive technologies can provide real-time language translation, navigate unfamiliar environments, and even assist with daily tasks. The potential to improve lives is enormous. We're even seeing the rise of smart clothing, and no, I'm not talking about clothes that can magically iron themselves, although that would be pretty cool. Imagine workout gear that tracks your performance metrics and adjusts to your body temperature, or medical wearables embedded in garments that can monitor vital signs 24/7. It's all on the horizon, and it's going to change how we think about clothing forever. Now, some of you might be thinking, okay, but what about other industries? Well, AI wearables have the potential to revolutionize everything from manufacturing and agriculture to transportation and logistics. Imagine factory workers wearing AI-powered safety gear that can detect potential hazards or farmers using smart glasses to monitor crop health in real time. The possibilities are truly endless. And the best part? This is just the beginning. The wearable AI market is projected to see absolutely explosive growth in the coming years, with experts predicting it to be worth hundreds of billions of dollars. So, if you're looking for a sector with huge potential, this is it. One of the companies leading the charge in wearable AI is Nike, with their FuelBand and innovative training apps. They've absolutely nailed the personalization aspect, using AI to create custom workout plans, provide real-time coaching, and even track your progress over time. It's all about helping athletes of all levels achieve their personal best. Then there's Samsung with their groundbreaking work in gesture recognition technology. Their smartwatches allow you to control your device with just a flick of the wrist. No need to fumble with tiny buttons. This kind of intuitive interaction is the future of wearable tech, and Samsung is at the forefront. Now, this next one is seriously cool. Emotive is pioneering an emotional AI with their EEG headsets. These incredible devices can actually read your brainwaves and detect emotions like stress, excitement, and focus. The potential applications for this are mind-blowing, from personalized meditation apps to helping people with autism communicate more effectively. We're talking about technology that can literally understand our minds. And let's not forget about the incredible impact AI wearables can have on accessibility. Microsoft's Seeing AI app is a perfect example. It uses AI to describe the world around visually impaired people, helping them navigate their environment, recognize faces, and even read text. It's technology that's genuinely changing lives for the better. Another company at the forefront of wearable AI is BMW. They're using AI-powered smart glasses to assist their mechanics with complex repairs, providing real-time instructions, schematics, and even remote expert assistance. It's a perfect example of how AI can be used to improve efficiency and accuracy in professional settings, and trust me when I say other industries are taking notes. Now, I know what you're thinking. All of this sounds amazing, but what are the challenges? Well, no technology is without its hurdles, and wearable AI is no exception. Battery life, data privacy concerns, ethical considerations, these are all very real issues that developers and industry leaders are actively working on. The key is to have open and honest conversations about these challenges and to ensure that AI is developed and implemented responsibly. One of the biggest challenges with wearable AI is battery life. These devices require a lot of power to run those complex AI algorithms, and nobody wants a smartwatch that dies after a few hours, right? Thankfully, companies are making huge strides in developing more energy-efficient processors and implementing power-saving features. We're also seeing innovations in battery technology itself, so the future is looking bright, pun intended. Another important consideration is data privacy. After all, these devices are collecting a lot of personal information about us. The good news is that developers are taking data security very seriously, implementing encryption technologies to protect our information and giving users more control over their data. The key is transparency. You have the right to know what information is being collected and how it's being used, so always read those privacy policies. Now, let's talk about ethical considerations for a moment. As with any powerful technology, artificial intelligence has the potential for both good and bad, and it's crucial that we use it responsibly. That means designing AI systems that are fair, unbiased, and transparent. We need to ensure that wearable AI is used to benefit humanity, not to harm it. And it's not just up to tech companies to get this right. We all have a role to play. That's why it's so important to have open and honest conversations about AI ethics and to demand transparency from the companies developing these technologies. We need to ensure that AI is developed with diversity and inclusivity in mind, representing the needs of all people, regardless of background or ability. But hey, don't let the challenges overshadow the incredible opportunities here. Wearable AI has the potential to revolutionize our lives in countless positive ways, from improving our health and fitness to making our daily routines easier and more efficient. The future is incredibly bright, and I'm so excited to see what innovations await us just around the corner. So, what do you think about the future of wearable AI? What excites you the most? Let me know in the comments below. I love hearing your thoughts. And hey, while you're down there, hit that like button and share this video with your friends. Let's get the conversation started. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss an update from All About AI Tech. Until next time, stay curious, my friends.